Welcome to the wonderful world of Doubanjiang. This magical ingredient, also known as chili bean paste, is a cornerstone of Taiwanese cuisine. Its deep, savory and subtly spicy flavor adds a unique depth to many dishes. Doubanjiang is more than just a condiment, it's a cultural icon, a testament to centuries of culinary tradition. In Taiwan, no kitchen is complete without a jar of this rich, flavorful paste. It's the secret ingredient in countless family recipes, passed down through generations. From stir-fries to braises, soups and sauces, Doubanjiang brings a unique umami depth that tantalizes taste buds. Join us as we explore the journey of this incredible ingredient, from factory to your table. The journey of Doubanjiang begins with the finest ingredients, sourced with utmost care and precision. Soybeans, the heart of this flavorful paste, are carefully selected for their quality and size. Each soybean is inspected meticulously to ensure it meets the high standards required for Doubanjiang. They arrive at the factory, plump and ready to be transformed. The journey from farm to factory is a crucial step in maintaining the integrity of the soybeans. Next come the chili peppers, adding a fiery kick to the mix. These peppers are not just any peppers, they are selected for their specific heat level and flavor profile. These peppers are chosen for their vibrant color and balanced heat, ensuring a delicious depth of flavor. Farmers handpick each pepper, ensuring only the best make it to the factory. But the magic of Doubanjiang doesn't stop there. The combination of soybeans and chili peppers is just the beginning of this intricate process. Other essential ingredients like salt and spices are added to the mix. These elements are carefully measured to achieve the perfect balance. Each ingredient plays a crucial role in creating the unique flavor profile of this beloved paste. The selection and combination of these ingredients are what make Doubanjiang truly special. The factory transforms into a bustling hub of activity as workers meticulously weigh and sort ingredients, ensuring that only the best make it into the next stage of production. This attention to detail is what sets Doubanjiang apart, making it a staple in kitchens around the world. Finally, the finished Doubanjiang is carefully packaged, ready to bring its rich, complex flavors to your table. Each jar is a testament to the dedication and expertise that goes into every step of the process. Whether used in traditional recipes or modern culinary creations, Doubanjiang continues to be a beloved ingredient, cherished for its depth and versatility. From the fields where the ingredients are grown to the kitchens where the paste is enjoyed, the journey of Doubanjiang is a story of passion, tradition, and excellence. Now, the real magic begins: fermentation. The soybeans are cooked and then introduced to mold, a special type of fungus that works its magic, breaking down the beans and developing complex flavors. This process is a delicate dance of time and temperature, carefully monitored by skilled artisans. The mixture sits in large temperature-controlled rooms for weeks, sometimes even months. During this time, the koji mold works tirelessly, transforming the humble soybeans into a flavor powerhouse. The air fills with the intoxicating aroma of fermentation, a testament to the transformative process taking place. The result is a paste that is not only delicious but also packed with umami, the fifth taste that adds a savory depth to dishes. After weeks of patient fermentation, it's time to blend the ingredients into the smooth, flavorful paste we know as Doubanjiang. Large grinding machines come alive, transforming the fermented soybeans and chili peppers into a homogeneous mixture. The air fills with the warm, spicy aroma of chili and fermented soybeans, a sensory experience that speaks to the heart of this culinary tradition. As the machines churn, the ingredients blend seamlessly, their flavors marrying to create a symphony of taste. The final product is a thick, vibrant paste ready to add depth and complexity to countless dishes. From factory to table, packaging and quality assurance. Before Doubanjiang reaches your kitchen, it undergoes rigorous quality checks. Each batch is carefully inspected for flavor, texture, and aroma. Only the best make it through, ensuring that every jar meets the highest standards. The finished product is then carefully packaged, ready to be shipped to kitchens around the world. From the careful selection of ingredients to the precise fermentation and blending process, every step in the production of Doubanjiang is a testament to the dedication and passion of the people who craft it. The next time you open a jar of this flavorful paste, take a moment to appreciate the journey it has taken from factory to your table. Doubanjiang braised beef, a culinary adventure awaits. Now that you've had a glimpse into the fascinating world of Doubanjiang production, let's put this magical ingredient to the test with a classic recipe, Doubanjiang braised beef. This dish is a true celebration of flavor, showcasing the unique depth and complexity that Doubanjiang brings to the table. Imagine tender, melt-in-your-mouth beef, infused with the rich, savory flavors of Doubanjiang, ginger, garlic, and aromatic spices. This dish is a true culinary adventure, a symphony of textures and tastes that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving for more. Step-by-step guide, your journey to a flavorful feast. Welcome to a culinary adventure that promises to tantalize your taste buds and elevate your cooking skills. Today we will guide you through a detailed and easy-to-follow recipe that will transform simple ingredients into a mouth-watering feast. Let's embark on this culinary journey together with a simple and easy-to-follow recipe, one that will not only be delicious, but also a joy to prepare. Gather your ingredients and let's get started. Beef chuck or brisket cut into cubes, fresh ginger sliced thinly, star anise and a cinnamon stick for that aromatic touch, bay leaves to add depth to the flavor, soy sauce for that rich umami taste, cooking wine to enhance the flavors, a touch of sugar to balance the savory elements, water or beef broth to create a rich, flavorful base for our dish. Step 1. Brown the beef cubes in a hot pot. This step is crucial as it locks in the juices and adds a depth of flavor to the meat. Step 2. Add doubanjiang, ginger and garlic. Cook until the mixture is fragrant, releasing all those wonderful aromas. Step 3. Toss in the star anise, cinnamon stick and bay leaves. These spices will infuse the dish with their unique flavors. Step 4. Pour in soy sauce and cooking wine, then add sugar. This combination will create a perfect balance of savory and sweet. Step 5. Cover the beef with water or broth and bring to a simmer. This will allow the flavors to meld together beautifully. Step 6. Reduce heat and braise for at least 2 hours or until the beef is tender. Patience is key here, as slow cooking will make the beef melt in your mouth tender. For a richer flavor, make sure to brown the beef thoroughly before adding the other ingredients. This step enhances the overall taste of the dish. Adjust the amount of doubanjiang to your desired level of spiciness. Whether you like it mild or fiery, make it your own. Don't be afraid to experiment with other spices like cloves or Sichuan peppercorns. These can add a unique twist to your dish. Serve your doubanjiang braised beef with steamed rice and your favorite vegetables. This hearty and flavorful dish is sure to impress your family and friends. Enjoy your culinary creation. A taste of home bringing doubanjiang's magic to your kitchen. Imagine the aroma of sizzling garlic and ginger, the sound of a bubbling pot, and the anticipation of a meal that promises to be unforgettable. Doubanjiang is more than just a condiment. It's a passport to a world of flavor. This fermented bean paste, with its deep red hue and complex taste, is a staple in Taiwanese cuisine. With its rich history, unique production process, and incredible versatility, Doubanjiang has the power to transform ordinary dishes into extraordinary culinary experiences. From stir-fries to stews and even marinades, its applications are endless. Its deep, savory notes add a layer of complexity that elevates any recipe, making it a must-have in your pantry. Imagine adding a spoonful to your favorite soup or using it as a base for a hearty sauce. So why not embark on your own culinary adventure? The journey begins with a single jar, but the destinations are limitless. Grab a jar of doubanjiang and let its magic unfold in your kitchen. Feel the excitement as you twist open the lid, releasing its rich aroma. Experiment with different recipes, explore new flavor combinations, and discover the endless possibilities of this culinary treasure. Try it in a spicy noodle dish, or mix it into a savory dip. With every bite, you'll be transported to the heart of Taiwan, experiencing the warmth and tradition of its cuisine. Happy cooking, share these moments with loved ones, and let doubanjiang bring a touch of Taiwanese magic to your table.